Dave, you better change the day running light and the fog light. See, it's on behind me, daylight. I mean, day running lights. See how yellow they are? Ugly. To me, it's ugly. Anybody else don't really care about that, but I care about it. You see how ugly that thing looks? Look at it. Shit ugly. Anyways, the fog light bulb and day running light bulb, same lamp. The fog light is H11 and the day running light is 5201, some shit like that. First things first, either jack it up or you put it on ramps. I'm gonna put it on ramps because that's easier for me, because you're about to go under. Some people go through the side, need a wheel, but I'm going under. Let's get it. And so let's take off the screws. 2 screws right here, Phillips. One there, one over there. There's one back here too. Boom. So let's remove those. There's another one right here, the 4th one. Do that one too. Take that off. Okay. So let's remove the 5th one right here, the 5. Right there on it. That's the one that's on the engine cover. Get it off. Okay. Now you see how easy this is to come out? Boom. Now let's pull this down right here, so you can see the you know, the fog light and stuff. Make sure you have some goggles on. You don't want the dirt going in your eyes. Pull this down. Okay, get that out the way. And you see right here. Okay, you see, this thing's hanging right there. And those are your bulbs. See, the top is a 5201 and the bottom is the H11. Okay, and when you order the top bulb 5201, it says for this car, but 5202 is the same shit. So it's gonna say Ford or whatever, boom, 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 same thing. So let's remove the top off, and you see what I'm talking about. Top bolt right here. As you see, squeeze down from the top and pull it out. You see the connector? Take out this H11 so it's out the way. Just twist, take it off. Here's the bulb, stock bulb. Boom, boom. Took the H11 out. Okay. Now let's take the DRL out. Like you see, you got it from here. Squeeze in and pull back. Wiggle, wiggle. It's gonna be a little hard to come out because you gotta pull back on it. It's just my brake over here, so be careful. Yeah, so that came out. These are the stock DRLs. Both of these stock bulbs, stock life, compared to this LED bulb. See the big difference? This one and this one. Look at that. It's gonna be white, so it's gonna be 6,000. And this is your LED for the fogs. There you go. It's for the fogs. That's the old one. Boom. See those? Ugly, ugly, ugly. Okay, now let's put this on first right here. All you gotta do is go in there and push it in like that. Should go this way, like that. Boom. Okay, you're gonna put it like this way. Boom. So there's 2 notches out. 1, 2. This side has 1. You're gonna put it not like this, like this. You're gonna put it like this. See that notch? 1 there. There's 2 on this side. We'll put it like that, and we're gonna put it in like this. Down first, then top. Or we could do top, then bottom, but I'm gonna do bottom first, then top. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Boom. Bottom first. Push in. See how it goes in? Now do the top. Same way. Boom. good. Just like that. Okay, so make sure it don't fall out. Double check it. Okay. Boom. Not gonna fall out. Should be good. Put the connector back on there. This one. Like so. Boom. And let's put the LEDs on. Find the right spot to twist it. There you go. In it. Let's put the connector back on there. If it doesn't work on one side, you gotta flip it. If it doesn't work, let's put this in and test it out. Okay, boom. It's in. Now let's test. There you go. Bright white. That's for the fog light, you see? It's the fog light compared to the old one. Look at this one. So up to you which one you like. This one or this one right here. Alright, let's do DRLs. That's the DRLs. That's blue compared to this color. So up to you which one you want to pick. Alright, white, blue. I thought this was gonna be white, but it's blue. I might have to change that bulb. Okay, soon everything works. Let's put this back together. Put your five screws back on there. Okay, you know the drill. Take out these 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see, 4 and 5. Take those off. So you have to take this clip off right here so you can move more. So that's why it was stuck. It was kind of stuck after I took off those bolts. So I took that out. Now it wants to move. See? Should be the same thing on the other side, but it wasn't connected, obviously. So let's put this down right up there. Boom, boom, boom. Same thing as before. Take this out first so it has some more room. Twist. Take it out. Pull out. Pull this thing back. Take the bulb out. If you have 2 hands, hold the other side so it don't fuck up. Okay, now let's get in there. Top one, wiggle it out. Okay, if you see, yeah, squeeze down, pull back one. Now this one, side to side, pulling. Oof, there you go. There's your bulbs. There it is. New one in. Same way. See the notches right here? This side and the one right here. So you're gonna go boom, no, boom, boom. Push it in. Okay. It's in. Make sure it don't come out. Okay, put the connector on. Make sure it goes like this. Upwards like this. Okay. Make sure it's in there. Make sure it don't fall out. Pull on it. It's in. Okay. Let's put the LED. Okay. Boom. See it go in like that. Twist it right. That. Now the connector and test. Boom, boom. Nice and white. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. DRLs. And that was it. How to do DRL and a fog light on this 2017 Nissan Altima. Put everything back on this side. Make sure you put that little clip that's on the slash here. Any questions, you already know. Comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics. And if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Later.